Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Samsung Level U Pro Bluetooth wireless in-ear headphones with microphone and UHQ audio. First up, let me show you the website real quick so you can see where to get it from. Go to Amazon.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. Alright, so we got the Samsung Level U Pro Bluetooth wireless in-ear headphones with microphone and UHQ audio. The price for these, $99.98. So you're looking at $100. Now it comes in two different colors. You got black or bronze. Pause this and read it for yourself if you want, but let's go through some of the features real quick. You got stylish premium design with two-way speaker units and UHQ audio. That's ultra high quality audio for superior sound. Now these feature flexible urethane joints and a lightweight design for a comfortable fit. These are splash and sweat resistance for active use. Now the battery life is up to 9 hours talk, 9 hours play, and 300 hours standby. Alright, so all of that for $100. Now here's the thing. Samsung just released the Samsung Level U's maybe about 6 months ago. Now if you go on Amazon, you see the Level U's are only going to run you $30. So are the Level U Pros worth that extra $70? Let's find out. Presentation. Okay, nice looking presentation. Let's check out the box real quick. Let's see Samsung Level U Pros. Okay, so you got the UHQ audio. Let's check out the box. The back of the box. Let's see anything we need to cover. Style and performance. All right, basically all of this stuff means nothing if they sound exactly the same as the Level U's. So that's the main question is, how are these going to sound? Let's pop these open. Where's the little unboxing knife? All right, watch out, girlie. I don't want to cut you with this. Shout out to the little unboxing knife back in the building. Ah! That was just for dramatic effect. All right. Let's pop these open. Okay. Now, inside, little Level U Pro box. Let's see what you get inside of here. Okay, of course, quick start guide. Girly, cover your ears for a second. The usual books and shit. I had to, girly, I had to. All right, shout out to Amaya, she's in the house. All right, so you got the usual books, file that to the side. Let's see what else you get. This is your micro USB charging cable. Add that to the collection. You get some extra earbuds. All right, check those out. And here's the Level U Pros. Okay, let's get this plastic out of here. Stuck to my hand. It got stuck to my hand. All right, so here's the Level U Pros. Now, right off the bat, let's take a look at the Level U Pros versus the Level U's. Okay, these are the Level U's. These are the Level U Pros. Let's see, about the same size. Now, the Level U Pros aren't as flexible as the Level U's. A little bit more stiff. Now, that might change after we break these in. Other than that, appearance-wise, though, let's see. The Level U Pros look a little bit thicker. Now, instead of that blue color, you have black. You got some chrome accents. Okay, basically look very similar, though. Power buttons located in the same area. So let's check these out. Okay, so here's your on and off switch, your Bluetooth pairing. And that's pretty much it. Okay, here we go. We got some more buttons right here. Now, look at the box real quick. Let me unfile that. Here's how you use the buttons. Okay, so if you short press and long press on the buttons, you got two different functions. So if you short press on the plus button, you got volume up. And if you long press, that's the previous track. Short press on the volume down button, that's the minus sign. Then next track, same thing. And if you short press on the main button, that's play and pause. And if you long press, that'll take you directly to S voice. Now this is gonna work with the Samsung Level app. So we'll play with that too. All right, now I'm just really curious to hear the sound and find out if it's worth the extra $70. So let's grab a Samsung phone, pair this up real quick. Amaya, we're going to do a music test, all right? You got any specific song you want me to play? Nothing?
Yeah.
All right. All right, let me go to my Bluetooth menu real quick. Let's see. All right, let's put this in pairing mode. Now, it's flashing. The light is flashing. Let's see. With the level U's, you got to hold down the power button to take it into pairing mode. There it goes. All right, so we got level U Pro. Let's connect these. Okay, paired up. Now let's do a sound test. Now this does have the same magnets like the level U's. Basically, it just looks like an upgraded version, a little bit more solid, a little bit more sturdy. All right, so I'm gonna put these on. Let's take it to the Amazon, play some music. All right, girlie, get ready to hear me singing, all right? Oh. You know you like my singing voice, don't front. All right, let's see, let's take it to some music now. All right, what song we got? All right, so let's break out the, we was just singing the Travis Scott. Let's take it back to the Travis Scott. Okay, hold on a second. I think I turned this off. I think I just unpaired this real quick. That's what that sound was. All right, let's see if we could, all right, I just unpaired it. There we go. All right, so let's go back to the Travis Scott now. Let me get maximum volume. Okay. Don't you let out that antidote. Woo! Okay. Here, girlie, try these on. Now, they sound dope. They sound crystal clear. They sound very loud. Pretty good. So what I'm going to do now, while Amaya's listening to those, I'm going to put on the level U's and play the same exact song and see if I can tell the difference. All right, now I already got this one paired up to my Galaxy Note. Let's take it right to the Amazon Music player, and we'll see if we can see a $70 difference. All right, I see you, girlie, over there. All right, let me, let's go to the music real quick. All right, now I'm going to play the same exact song with maximum volume, and we'll see which one sounds better. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Now, I only had to play this for a second. Here, girlie, try this one now. Before I even say something, I'll let Amaya make the determination. Listen to that one and tell me which one sounds better. Not even close, right? All right. Amaya's behind the camera, shaking her head. Not even close. Let me pause this real quick. All right, fellas. I'm ready to make my decision. This is totally worth the $70 difference. Did I press? Oh, I didn't press pause on this one. All right. Totally worth. Which one of these is playing? You still hear music, right?
Yeah.
All right. Both of them still playing? Is that this one? All right, that's the Note. All right. Okay, so you got $30 on Amazon and you got $100 on Amazon. The difference is night and day. All right, keep it real, girlie. This one sounded like a set of real headphones. This one sounded like using a set of Bluetooth headphones. You know, like regular, like this one sounds like the LG Tones. This maybe like the free headphones that come with your phone, but maybe a little bit better. These right here though, QHD. Look, a lot of times when they market this kind of stuff, they come with all those letters, QHD, ultrasound, all these crazy, tech terminology. But trust me when I tell you, these sound amazing. Now, girl, I'm sorry, I gotta take it back one more time, just to make sure this wasn't a fluke. Also, let me see if I noticed right. All right, just to make sure this wasn't a fluke. Let me take it to one more song. All right, I'm gonna try something different. But that song got a lot of bass. That song was getting me hyped just now. All right, what else we got? All right, how about You Know You Like It? You like this song? All right, this is the song. Night and day. I gotta wait for the bass drop. Try again another day. You want to see my dab? Check this out.
Oh,
Ah, you like that, right? Wait, bass drop, bass drop. Woo! Girl, you gotta hear these. You gotta hear these. Play this one. Now, just to make sure I'm not going crazy, let's take the level used and let's play the same exact song. Fellas, I'm telling you. All right, $70 difference. I understand that's a little, little bit of a difference when you could get these for 30 bucks. All right, now I'm gonna rock the same song on the note. Some people want me. Let's go. Now, don't get me wrong. The level used sound all right. They sound all right. All right, bass drop. Here it goes. The scales gone away. Nah. I don't even need to hear anymore. Amaya's back here going crazy. I don't even need to hear anymore. There's no competition. All right, no competition. It's not even close. Once you hear the Level U Pros, if you got the regular level U's, you're gonna file these into the trash. Now you might want to just save those in your car for an emergency. But girl, you heard the difference. These sound amazing. All right, crystal clear, deep, heavy bass. Has a better build quality, and these is only $100. So if you're gonna spend 30, you'll basically waste 30 if you buy these. Take the extra 70 and get these. All right, trust me when I tell you, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving these a certified go. All right, putting the seal of approval on these. These are gonna be my new daily headphones. Amaya, you want these? I'm just kidding. I'll put these in the car. Come on. I'm just high five. Hey, you leave me hanging? Come on, high five. I'm just kidding. All right, there we go. Don't backhand me. All right. So anyway, let's get serious for a minute. Like I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, you need these. All right, the sound just blew me away. I'm not even exaggerating. Let's see what that was again on the back of this, because I need to check this out. Now, normally I don't buy into all of this QH, UHQ, all this extra frequency stuff. I don't really buy into that. But on this one, yeah, this is real. All right, so these are a real set of headphones for $100. Judging by the sound, I would even be comfortable paying $150 for these. If I paid $150, I wouldn't even been mad. Especially after using the level used for about 5-6 months. These are my new headphones right here. All right, so hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. On a scale of 1 to 10, these are a win. All right, girlie, we got 20 more minutes to New Year's. All right, so shout out to everybody that rock with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the Amazon Warrior on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Oh yeah, one more thing. Now, we got 20 minutes to New Year's, all right? Girlie, we getting ready to do it big. Now, for New Year's, we got a special video. Amaya has challenged me to a one-on-one game of Bean Boozled. All right, so once the ball drop, we're going to say Happy New Year. We're going to sing the song and all of that. Then we're going to come back. We're going to get it on one-on-one in a game of Bean Boozled. So stay tuned for that. Anything to add, Amaya? Nope. All right. All right, so Amaya's good over here. All right, so we'll be back in a minute, y'all. We out.